I'm recording. We're wondering what this guy is doing. He has a wood chipper.
He was like a crazy old bastard. I should just go down there and wait for him to walk by again.
Yeah, we should. I am still recording. Let's get a nice little close-up of him. He looks like... Oh, look at him. He looks... Lock the doors down. Well, in case he kills someone with this wood chipper, we got video evidence.
Listen up.
Get a good picture of him. Look at that. See that? That's a wood chipper there, people. A wood chipper. And you know what time it is? It's fucking 11 o'clock at night.
11:30.
11:30 at night, and he's pushing a fucking wood chipper. What the fuck is going on with our society? Maybe he'll get hit by a car. Oh, he's going in overdrive. I think he's about to take a break. He looks like he's limping. And there he goes. Where he brings that wood chipper, only God knows. Only God knows.